Hey NRS family, what's up? Thank you for tuning into the NRS channel. Today is a very different, I can say a video, very different video. It's not about the CBR 650R, but it is about the Hyundai Elite i20, which is the 2016 model. It was the Magna variant, and I have just sold it to a very good company. So all of y'all who are not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram right away. The link is below and the ID is flashing on the screen right now. Go and follow me on Instagram, and you all will get immediate updates over there. So do not forget to follow me though on Instagram, and I'll tell you where I sold my car and to whom I sold my car. And after so many years, it's a 2016 model, after so many years, who's given me a great price and what's the price. So do not fast forward it. I'm not going to tell you in the end. I may tell you in the end or may not tell you in the end. It may be in the center of the video. I know you all skip to the last, which is the good part about the video, saying price and everything. So sit back, relax and enjoy the complete video. Light over there is showing because I think there is some dust particles or something in the fuel, so that's the only reason. And if you all can hear the sound of the exhaust also, the exhaust also sounds like it's a sports exhaust because of the dust. So that's a good part or bad part, I'm not sure. You can hear it. So I hope you all like the cinematic shots, and yes, it's a 2016 model. It's done around 25,000 odd kilometers, close to 26,000 kilometers. It was the Magna variant of the Hyundai Elite i20, and it was bought in 2016, and the car was very smooth. There was no problems at all. It was being serviced by authorized Hyundai showrooms or workshops only, and I bought it for around 733 before discount. I'm not going to mention the discount which I had received at that time, and I sold it to Cars24. Must say, it's not a promotional video. Again, I'm saying it's not a promotional video. I'm not promoting any website, or I'm not promoting any channel partners or anything, but it was one of the smoothest transactions I've ever done. They were very quick in the services. They've come, everything was on my doorstep, everything was at one particular point, and they've given me a fantastic deal on it. I'm serious, one of the best deal. I was shocked and I was very happy. So I can trust Cars24 blindly, and the cost which I got for the Hyundai Elite i20 2016 model was 4.49 lakhs. that was a crazy pricing which I received, and with no doubt I had to give them a yes, a go ahead to get the car sold as soon as possible. So today the shots you all saw, the was checking it, and there's another person who's going to come and check the car once again and then take away the baby away. But yes, do comment in the comment section down below if I am planning to buy a car. I'm not sure yet if I'm planning to buy a car right now, or should I buy a bike. I'm not sure. So comment in the comment section down below, what do you all think I should buy? And if I'm thinking about a car to replace this car which is just gone, it may be a car only, I'm not sure, because replacing one car and is what I feel is the right thing right now. But if you all feel I should be going ahead with a car, which one would it be? So comment and let me know in the comment section down below which car should I go in for. If you all want me to get the delivery video also, if I'm buying a car and you all want me to see that, let me know and I'll be glad to show that too. Final goodbye. Really going to miss her a lot. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for supporting. And if you all have not subscribed my channel yet, again, do subscribe now, press the bell icon, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram ID also. And it's a wrap. NRS family.